Hi everybody, it's Sarah from DriveStrike.com. Today I'm going to show you how to download DriveStrike on your Android device. If you received an invitation from an account administrator, you'll receive an email like this. When you click here to install, it's going to take you straight to the Google Play or Android App Store. And from there, you'll need to download the DriveStrike app. Once the app has installed, just like any other app, go ahead and open it. Follow the prompts to give DriveStrike access to your device. And to register your device, you're going to put here the email address that you received the invitation at, or if you are the account administrator, you're going to put the email address that's associated with your account. This will register your device so that it is active on the DriveStrike servers, and we can help you recover it in the event that it's lost or stolen.